Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about defects in rolling process. So in earlier videos, I have discussed about what is rolling process and what are the types of rolling mills. So if we want to produce a defect-free product using rolling process, then we have to must know about the defects in rolling process. So there are so many types of rolling defects. I will be discussing the major rolling defects one by one. So there are two types of rolling defects, surface defects and the structural defects. The surface defects is that when we are producing a product using rolling process, so the defects will be only on the surface, such as surface cracks or surface scale, like this. And the structural defects is that the whole structure will be deformed, or there may be cracks which will affect the overall structure of the rolling product. So let's first discuss about surface defects. So surface defects can occur during the rolling process due to a number of factors such as uneven deformation, cracks, scratches, etc. The following are some common surface defects in rolling process. Some common surface defects are scale pits, edge cracks and scratches. So what is scale pits? So scale pits are cavities or depressions that appear on the material surface. So scale pits are that little scars appear on the roll product. This is scale pits. It may be small in length or bigger in length. It is due to the cavities and depressions appears during rolling process. Next is edge crack. Edge crack appear on the edges on metal stock due to excessive deformation, especially when we are doing cold rolling process. Then if we want to deform the material in a large scale, then the edges of the material can be cracked like this. Then edge cracks may appear. Next is scratches. Scratches are caused due to abrasive particles or other debris on the surface. So scratches may be appear due to abrasive particles which are used on the rolling surface for better smoothness of the roll product. If the abrasive particles are little bit bigger in size, then the scratches may appear, or in other case, if there are found some foreign particle, then the scratches may appear. So these are the important surface defects in rolling process. Let's now discuss about the structural defects of rolling process. These are the few structural defects in rolling process. First one is wavy edges, second one is zipper cracks, third one is edge crack, and the fourth one is alligator crack. Let's now discuss them one by one. First one is wavy edges. So in this figure we can find the wavy edges rolling defects. So the edges are like wave of water. The result is thicker as the middle portion of the rolling part is bent or deflected by the compressive load. They can result from uneven roll pressure, variations in temperature, or differences in roll wear. So this is wavy edges rolling defect, and this is the cause. Next one is zipper cracks. So in this figure we can find the zipper cracks. So these are the zipper cracks. So in our garment, the zipper appears in the middle of any garment. So the cracks appear at the middle portion of the rolled product. These are the cracks that run parallel to the direction of rolling and typically appear in the center of the sheet. They can be caused by excessive tensile stress or material brittleness. So this is zipper crack and the cause of zipper crack. The next one is edge crack. So the edge crack can be found in this figure. The edges of the roll product cracked due to material handling or cooling. So edge cracks that appear along the edges of the rolled metal, they can be caused by excessive rolling pressure, improper material handling, or cooling, or defects in the raw material. So this is edge crack and the cause of edge crack. The next and the last one is alligator crack. This is the alligator crack rolled defect. So we can see that this portion is an open mouth of an alligator. Like alligator, this is not alligator. If this is alligator, then this class may be the class of life science, but this open portion is like the mouth of an alligator. So alligator crack is the open mouth of an alligator. Like it occurs when the material splits along a horizontal plane and is typically caused by non-uniform deformation or impurities in the metal. So the deformation is non-uniform and the metal is full of impurities, then the alligator crack can be found. So in this video I have discussed about the rolling defects, the surface defects and the structural defects. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.